I'm out and I want to fly my drone. The only thing is, everyone else is out because it's snowing. So I'm trying to find somewhere a bit quieter. I don't think it's going to happen. Also testing how the bike works in snow. So far, absolutely brilliant.
Many people use the skate park when it snowed. Perfect opportunity for me. There's a couple of trees around here. I can try and nip in and out of those without crashing. There's less leaves on the trees, which is much better for me. Because it was last time that I think the trees got sort of tangled up in them. And because of the snow, I put a little landing pad. So, let's see how flying goes through. Where should we take it? If you haven't seen these before, you get them on Amazon, they're really cheap, but boom. Works at the beach, works on snow. Hup.
There you are. Thought you were lost. Bit of snow on you. That's battery number one. Used up. Sitting there in the snow. Let's have one more because my feet are getting particularly frosty.
Okay, so pretty much what I was saying there, because the GoPro was all covered in snow, you couldn't hear a word of what I was saying. My feet were freezing, the drone wasn't working because it was all full of snow, and it was time to make my way back home because it was getting dark. Anyway, let's jump back in.
I landed in deep snow.
Okay, alright. Add it up.